So today's plan is to go and check out a burnt out school bus or car or something I've been seeing as I drive down the interstate. There's a big field with a creek and it's got billboards and whatnot, and it looks like someone just drove back there and left a car or something. So that's my plan today, just to get some miles on the bike and get out and get some exercise. We'll see what we find. The reason I want to get out today is we've got a potential winter storm moving in with ice, snow tonight. Temps are dropping. Pretty good wind out of the north. You might be able to hear it. One of the downfalls of Louisville is that there isn't a major bike network outside of downtown, and even the majority of that bike network is just painted lines on the side of the road. So of course, if someone's messing around on their phone or yelling at their kids or whatever in the back seat, it doesn't protect you as a runner or bicyclist, walker, whatever, from getting run over by a car. So, and then especially as you go further out, it's essentially just old rural roads that have not grown with the population explosion further out. But the nice thing about Louisville is there's always these little areas like this that you can cut through to keep you off of the busy roads, narrow roads. They're narrow, speed limits are high. Of course, everyone does 15 or 20 over that high speed limit already. On a narrow road, they're going to give someone on a bicycle 0 quarter. And it doesn't take much to kill a nice squishy human being when it comes to a giant SUV or something. So anyway, you have these little cut-throughs all over the city that I've found over the years of running long distances. It was nice to get out and explore, and now with the bicycle it makes it even easier to extend my reach with a shorter amount of time invested in getting out and exploring new areas. So yeah, these little cut-throughs and areas are there. You just have to get out and find them here, and it's nice. Another one of these little cut-throughs I was talking about earlier. It brings you back into residential neighborhood. But this is another one of those little cut-throughs. So you can see a lot of people take quad bikes and whatever else back here. Hey there, puppers. Oh, there's two of yous. How you doing? Jumped over onto the grass and look at it. Tires all cleaned. Oh, back to soup. I just don't understand. I should have brought the damn rain jacket. From the satellite maps, looked like there was a gravel road that ran on this side, also that side. But where I want to get to is over here. There's no signs or anything, so that's the main thing here in Kentucky. What I've been seeing is right off the interstate. It's a couple hundred yards, 300-400 yards straight ahead yet, I'm guessing. Maybe more, maybe less. This isn't a half bad road. It'd be better if it was dry. But more watts, more fitness. Fitness pizza in my mouth. There's the remnants of a beaver. Maybe that little beaver we saw up there is the one down here chewing up trees. All right, so I made it over to the interstate. Made it down here. There's a road that I could see from Google Maps. I used to service these signs, these billboards you see on the side of the interstate. I'm going to hang along that, and that should take me over to what I want to see. Tell me how this thing burnt right underneath the interstate. No one called it in. It's crazy. Looks like a Dodge. Killer graffiti. This is nice down here. Coming across that burnt out car underneath the interstate bridge was unexpected. What I've come here because I could see from the interstate, which is right there, is this car. I thought it was a bus. Wonder what make and model this is. A Chevy. 4-cylinder, burnt. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, let's make sure there's no bodies in this thing. Wow. Oh, there's a couple vacuum cleaners. This thing's literally had the wheels driven off it. Wow. Must have been quite the ride back here. All right, well, anyway, this is what I came to see. So that was interesting. Interesting to me. Hopefully you guys find it interesting too. Now, to swing back home. I don't really know the best way to get out of here. There's a bridge here. Obviously it's gated or chained or something. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna go over this. I'm back in a neighborhood. 84 locks. Looks like someone cut it at one point. It's just Limps all over the ground. Or rammed right through it. Another one of little shortcuts here. Just on bicycle and on foot. Oh yeah. You save big money. You save big money when you shop. Look at the moisture in my pants and shirts soaked. It's alright, covered in mud anyway.